In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive emails in Gmail. So if you've ever accidentally archived an important email or simply want to retrieve one for future reference, this step-by-step guide is just for you. Let's dive in and simplify the process of unarchiving those emails. First, for demonstration purposes, imagine that we've just archived an email from our inbox. If you're unfamiliar with the archiving feature in Gmail, it essentially allows you to clean up your inbox without actually deleting emails. Archiving is great for organization, but finding that specific email later can be a bit tricky if you're not sure where to look. Now onto the unarchiving process. Head over to your Gmail account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you find various categories and sections of your emails. You might see the standard sections like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. But to find archived emails, you'll need to see more options. Go ahead and click on More. By clicking More, a list of additional sections will drop down. Look for All Mail and click on it. This is a special category where every single email in your account resides. This includes the emails you've archived as well. By accessing All Mail, you essentially have a master list of all your messages, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if it's your first time. Now, as you scroll through All Mail, you'll spot the email we archived earlier for this demonstration. See, it wasn't deleted, it's been here all along. The next step is to move it back to where it needs to be. To do this, simply right-click on the email. You'll be presented with a menu of options. From this menu, look for the Move to Inbox option and click on it. This action effectively unarchives the email by moving it back to your main inbox, where you can easily access it just like any other email you frequently use. Once you've clicked that, you're done. The email is now back in your inbox, ready for action or review whenever you need it. And that's all there is to it. Unarchiving an email is quite straightforward once you know your way around the Gmail interface. Remember, the All Mail section is your go-to when searching for archived emails. And don't worry, archiving and unarchiving don't affect your emails in any negative way. They're just organizational tools to help keep your inbox neat and tidy. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance with your Gmail account. Have a great day.